Everybody's ready to go to the front field? Let's do it. Come on, Millie. What was that? Are you gonna scream at my face again? We're working as fast as we can, ma'am. Yeah. Apple doesn't fall far from the tree, Miss Fern. You let me touch you? No. Cattle drive time. Oh, look, we got 3 generations. 1, 2, 3. Good girl, Millie. Millie's our caboose. There's the 3 reds. And the rest of the crew. You only get to eat this grass for 20 minutes. Make the most of it. Got that, Belle? Belle, get to work. You got 20 minutes. You're on the clock. Ellie's making the most of her time over there. Not missing a beat. Little RC, you gotta make the most of your 20 minutes. Everybody else is. You're doing good. Hi, Belle. You're so pretty. Good girl, Ellie. RC, get you a bite. Lazy. So lazy. But leave it to Ellie and Fern to be the only ones eating. Dorothy, are you unsure of your new friends? Dixie missed everybody. What do you think, Betsy? Oh, are you two gonna be friends? What do you think, Rubes? Miss Ruby likes her. You already know her. She's already your friend. Oh my goodness. These two are gonna be buddies.